Elite Heating and Plumbing started in 2016. After a couple of months I started to get busier. It's been 4 years and we've got 10 employees and 7 vehicles. So yeah, we've come a long way. I worked for my father initially, doing the same thing, gas and plumbing, and I wanted to build something bigger. As it progressed, it changed from just a job almost like to a mission. We use lots of technology in what we do, but all of our engineers are trained in an old school fashion, providing a service that's very different to our competitors. It really started to grow when we started to do business to business work, and as we grew, the systems that we used, we went from just a pad and a pen. I went through a lot of other software before I found ServiceM8, a lot of other software. Everything that I found was either clunky, it was not intuitive. Now we use ServiceM8, which has really changed the way that we do business. It took me like a day to set it up. But since then I've been a really big supporter of ServiceM8.
We check our diaries and see what we've got in for the day. Then we go en route to our first job, which will send an SMS to the customer. If we go out and do a quote specifically to go and do a boiler change, we use our boiler quote form and it has everything in it that we need to know how to carry the job out. That means that any of the engineers that are out on the road can fill this form out on site so that we don't have to go back out on a second visit just to get a good idea of what the job entails. And then that goes off to the office. It just adds efficiency to the whole process. Forms have saved us a lot of hassle since we started using them to their full potential.
From the time that the client comes on board, everything is stored in one place. So photos, emails, certificates, if we can get to it very easily. The templates are a major time saver, so you can send out email templates, SMS templates. It's made everything quicker. From zero, we can see all of our outstanding invoices, what we're owed, what we need to pay. So the two work very nicely together. There's a lot of great add-ons for ServiceM8. The main thing that we deal with day to day is that our business-to-business clients especially need reports now. They need their gas safety certificates now, they want their invoices now, and we're able now to send those documents from the job with no delay, and that has really meant a lot to our clients.
We send Elite a works order and ask them to go out and complete jobs for us. Following the works completion, what we'll get from them is a works report, a job sheet, which tells us what they've done, before and after pictures and their invoice. We need to be able to update people straight away. Landlords are keen to know that things are fixed. We need to know that people are safe. We have gas safety inspections that we do. If there's an emergency, we need to know that property is safe, that problem is resolved. So having the feedback instantaneous from contractors is really important to us.
There's nothing more important than customer service. The whole business that we've created is geared towards customer service, and if that's not right, nothing's right.